Keep them coming. Look at that! Oh my God! Corn Chronicles. Corn Chronicles. Corn Chronicles. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Corn back with another episode of Corn Chronicles. Today, we're back in Daytona Beach, going back fishing on the boat. We're gonna try to catch our own bait. So we're gonna see how it works out. We're not getting any bait. We're not going to the bait store, so we're gonna check it out. And it's looking pretty good. So yeah, let's try it out. I'm excited. Let's get it. I'm gonna use it to back at it again. Woo. Let's get it. I'm going to try out this cast net that I got. Haven't used a cast net in a few years, so we're going to try to make it work. I should have probably looked up some videos on how to throw it. I'm pretty much just going to go by memory right now, and if I need to, I'll look it up. YouTube would definitely help you out. That's for sure. Oh, there's a tie in it. In the boat for now. Just a nice little 4-foot. Alright, so this is going to be the first cast with the net. Let's see how it works. Is this a guy on the... Okay. Get better. First cast of the day. Oh, let's try it right there. You got a hit? Come on, baby. Look at those bait running. Oh, I just missed it. That's the thing, yeah. I was at the same spot. You got to get right on the wall. And it almost hit almost immediately. Hey, let's go, baby. That might be right at the keeper side. Oh, watch your feet, watch your feet. He jumped out. Watch your feet, watch your feet. It's still there. It's still there. Hold on. Was it a stingray? Oh, you mother. Damn. I hate the stingrays. And he swallowed the hook too. God damn it. Alright guys. I feel like I'm gonna catch one on this one. I feel it. So that's why I'm starting the video early. I'm gonna just wait until it hits. Oh. 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 Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. I think it's a jack. Yep. Oh, and he swallowed it. I think it's a jack. Yeah. Ooh, nice. That's a close one.
hard shells and distant laughter. Time's a myth, it doesn't matter. Oh, oh. Close your eyes, feel the warm embrace. This is the rhythm of a timeless place. Drifting slow, let the tide take me, tide take me. No worries now, just the endless sea, just the endless sea.
Alright, so let's try it out. Try the steak first. Let's try the fish. And then we'll try the lobster. Oh my God. Damn. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. And also share this to your friends. You know, I'm trying to grow the channel. So if you could share it, that would be greatly appreciated. Also, shout out to my sponsor, StenCy KEY. Remember, consistency is key. To all my content creators out there, social media influencers, hustlers, go-getters, remember, consistency is key. All right, guys, let's get it.